This is the user interface for the Quanta Pronto, the fastest hair removal on the market today. You'll see there are a few different options that we can choose from. When you look at the first thing here, it's the spot size. That is a fixed 14 by 10 millimeter spot size. We'll show you the handpiece here in a minute. The mode, there are 3 different modes to choose from. When you turn the laser on, it comes on in basic mode. This would be a great mode for somebody that doesn't have a lot of experience operating a device. The only thing that you can adjust here is going to be your fluence, or your energy output, and your speed, or your number of pulses per second. If you want to change to one of the other 2 modes, you simply highlight basic, and then you come to this side and you either tab up to professional or smooth pulse, and it just cycles through. So basic, professional, we're going to highlight professional. Notice when I hit OK, it gives us a couple more options. You can still adjust your fluence and your speed, but you can also adjust your pulse duration and whether it's a single pulse or a double pulse. When you go to smooth pulse mode, or our pain-free mode, this is a mode that, again, it's an automatic double pulse and it has a fixed pulse duration, but this is the mode that gives you the ability to have the fastest hair removal device on the market today. When you look at the speed, you highlight the speed, and you can take this up to 12 pulses per second. As you can imagine, when you're treating 12 pulses per second, it is incredibly fast. If you want to adjust your fluence as well as your pulse, you highlight that, and again, just simply tab up. Once you hit 8 joules per centimeter squared, your speed starts dropping slightly. All right, so this is just to give you an idea of the handpiece. When we talk about, the 14 by 10 millimeter spot, the 14 by 10 millimeter spot is actually being emitted out of this fiber optic here. And if you might be able to tell on camera, but there is a rectangular area. There's a round delivery system around it. Because you're moving the handpiece so fast, the corners have been rounded off because we didn't want to scratch folks. This is aluminum cooling plate, so very effective cooling mechanism. We actually happen to have a few settings here. This is just to give you an idea of how much flexibility you have when you're in professional mode. Fluence, we happen to have this at 40 joules per centimeter squared, a little over 2 pulses per second. We happen to have a 94 millisecond pulse duration on a single pulse right now. But again, a lot of different flexibility when you're in professional mode. If you want to go to that basic mode, then again, a lot fewer options. And as the practitioner, it gives you a lot more control of what's going on in your practice.